Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Noors Kitchen Connection. Today we will be making a very nice, delicious iftar special recipe: chicken cones or chicken mini cones or chicken bites. These are very delicious, very easily made with a slight variation, but the results are amazing. I hope you're subscribing to my channel, sharing the recipes with your friends and family. Let me know in the comment section about your experiences after trying all these recipes. After trying this chicken cone, let me know in the comment how was your experience. So let's try these delicious mini cone recipe. First of all, in a bowl, we'll take 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of oil, half a teaspoon of salt, and now mix it until fine crumbs are formed after the flour being mixed with the oil. Like this. Now we'll be requiring certain amount of water to form a firm dough. So for that we'll add slowly required amount of water and knead it well into a firm dough like this. The perfect dough is ready. Now cover it with a plastic film and rest it for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll prepare the filling. For the filling, we'll be requiring 250 grams of chicken boneless, cut it into some small pieces like this. One medium-sized onion, and now in a pan we'll take slight 1.5 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon of oil just to grease the pan, and add the onions to the pan. Keep the heat medium and just saute the onions. Now we'll add the cumin seeds, which is 1 teaspoon. Add it to the onions. At this point, we'll add chicken and mix it well. And cook the chicken for 5 to 10 minutes or until the color changes to white. Meanwhile, we'll season it with some basic spices like red chilli flakes, which we've taken 1 teaspoon, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of chicken powder. Mix all these well, and in the end we'll add some black pepper, that is half a teaspoon. Mix it well and turn off the heat and set it aside to cool. Now after 10 minutes we'll return back to our dough. We'll flatten the dough up with a rolling pin on a working surface like this and divide it into 8 equal pieces. Like this. After with all these 8 equal pieces, make the balls of these small balls and then flatten it up. And now in a small pan we'll just heat it on both of its sides at medium heat and keep them all aside like this. So we'll repeat it with all the dough one at a time until they are all done like this. And now we will look, the diameter of the dough or the bread will be like this. Now we'll start filling these up, but we'll divide each of this bread into two halves in order to get the shape of a cone. We'll prepare some flour and water mixture in a kind of a paste for sticking the edges of these cone bread like this, and make the shape of a cone like this. Now we'll start filling these cones. Once all the cones are ready with the chicken filling, see, our cones are ready. They are really cute mini cones. So now we'll start filling and assembling these with the chicken filling that is already prepared and cooled the way we want. So one by one we'll fill all the cone with the chicken until they are all done like this. Now we'll start frying these chicken cones by keeping the oil in a pan at a medium heat. Make sure the heat is medium, not too high, neither too low. And don't overcrowd the cones into the pan. Fry them slowly and gradually so that the filling remains in and it doesn't come out until they are turned golden brown. Turn them aside. And that's it. Our cute little mini chicken cones are ready. You can serve it with the sauce of your choice. They are very cute, very delicious, crispy, and a treat to your taste buds. Enjoy it with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment section about your experiences after trying all these recipes. So do try this recipe, and now let's taste that. How does it taste? You can have it with any kind of a sauce you want. These are really delicious and really easy to make, and your friends and family will love it. So let's taste it. Look, the filling is turned very nicely golden. They are delicious. Do try it. See you in another good recipe. Take good care of yourself and your loved ones. Allah Hafiz.